Good morning to all of you. A puzzling question has come to the transport department people. The regional transport officer Pradittur and the deputy transport commissioner Kadapa, they were posed with the problem. A dead woman sells her car to a man at Pradittur. A woman who died way back in 2019. She now sells the car to a person at Pradittur on 24th July 2021. How it happened? This is the puzzling question. If we go into the details of the incident, actually the woman died on 26/11/2019. The transfer of ownership took place to Pradittur on 24/7/2021, almost 2 years, 1 year, 10 months like that. Actually, the vehicle was financed. The vehicle finance company, actually, they have seized the vehicle on 13/9/2019 and they have taken that hypothecation of the leasing for other things. Ultimately, it was kept up for sale from 14/7/2021. So all these dates may be confusing you. Only thing is, the woman died in 2019, and how could she register or transfer the ownership to the new owner after 1.5 years? How this is possible? Definitely, so far they could not come to any logical conclusion. They are breaking their heads, the transport department people. Normally, you may be knowing, according to the Motor Vehicles Act, already I told you one classic case also, I will come to that. So whenever you transfer, whenever you sell your vehicle, you have to get it transferred. Previously we used to form 29 and 30, now section 150 others they have come. So you have to transfer, that means you have to intimate the sale of the vehicle to the second party. That too, it is faceless transaction or not, it is all digital transaction. You need not go to the office of the RTO, then you need not submit the form 29 and 30. Nowadays everything is possible because the registration certificate is linked with the Aadhaar card, the biometric version. If you put your thumb impression, it will come, you will pay the fee of maybe around 50 rupees or so. Wherever wish to sell your vehicle, the thumb impression will be taken, they will give some number, and after selling the vehicle, if you give the number to the opposite party, then if they produce them, if they go to the computer and produce that number, automatically the vehicle, the certification or transfer process will continue. Of course, the transfer process means you want the vehicle transferred to your name, then it will go to the RTO. RTO will verify whether the insurance is valid or not, whether the certificate of registration is also valid. That is, normally a vehicle will be valid, certification will be valid for 15 years or so, like that, and whether the taxation has been paid properly or not. So in this connection also we have seen people who do the mischief by putting the insurance of same number but belonging to some other vehicle, like that also they will do it. But RTO people definitely, they will, after perusal of the same only, then they will issue the transfer order. Otherwise they will give the so-called tick mark and reject it, and you have to carry it on. Ultimately they will okay it. This is the routine procedure. Suppose if any person dies, then the vehicle should be transferred in the name of the legal heir. For that, they have to produce the legal heir certificate, and they have to get the no objection certificate from other people also. Then only the vehicle can be transferred. Here, nothing of that sort happened. Then how this happened? Nobody knows. Of course, the investigation will reveal. So, in this connection, I want to tell you an example. Last year, I purchased a vehicle, of course, from my same family. My name is Sunkara Sai Babu. I have purchased the vehicle from Sunkara Venkat Ratnakishwar of Avanigadda, Krishna district. He needed money, right? He was suffering from ailment. Okay, so we can call him as the RTO agent. The RTO agent took his thumb impression made him come to the computer. He put his thumb impression, and he is desiring of selling the vehicle to other person has been initiated. Right. So I have purchased the vehicle. So they have given the number. After producing the same number in Mongol, I got it transferred in my name. There was a dilemma, because at that time, maybe in the month of March or April, the servers were not functioning properly with the RTO authorities, and his condition was not good. Then we got a doubt. So what will happen? Suppose if he dies, what will happen? Then they said, this is valid up to 6 months or so, and then you can get it extended. Of course, luckily he survived, we got the work done. So suppose if he had died, then also if since the thumb is valid, we can say that the dead man sold the vehicle to me. And secondly, the second incident I told that case. Normally, when I don't want to repeat the same. So when the accident took place, it was declared that he was not a valid driving license holder. But after some time, he produced the valid driving license. How? What happened is, this man was having a driving license up to so and so period, but he could not extend it. So therefore, he paid the fine and get it extended from the previous date. So now it is to say that he has got valid driving license, but on that particular day he did not have valid license. The court did not accept it also. Such things do come. This may be one of such incidents. Anyway, it is for the National Transport Authorities or to the police authorities if they take up investigation and unravel the truth. But anyway, it is a very dangerous phenomenon. Because why the thumb impression biometric? Because it is the famous Lockhardt's principle that no two fingerprints of a person are identical. That means even your own fingerprints, they are not identical. No two fingerprints will tally in the world. That is the basic principle. It is an established principle. But how this thing happened? Is it the fault of the computer? Is it the fault of the biometric version? Or did anybody collude? We also do not know. Yes, if they said yes, we can't. So these things have to be unraveled. Anyway, it is a classic case. Please follow this case. Of course, when the result will come out, I will also inform you. Thank you very much.